Incoming. Right, so now the question is, can we build it? Wait, before you plug it in, hang on.
I'm not plugging in it.
I think we're going to position it this way, and then we got to put the stuff in. But before we do that, we got to pull the tray out. All right, well, so maybe the pad just sits in front, and you just adhere it to the ground with those stickers. And then when you pull out the thing, if any of the stuff gets in it, like the pad's to catch the excess stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you just put it in front of it. Okay. So the next step, I guess, is...
Lift up for 1 second. Because this has to, it goes the other way, the pad, and then you can take the stickers off.
You mean like this?
Yeah.
Do you want to take the stickers off right now? Because you might change your mind about how you want it.
Yeah, okay.
You know? But I think the next step is to pull this out, right? And then this pushes out through the bottom. So smush it out all the way. And then we got to put the cat thing in there, which I believe we've got them over there, right? And then you put the blue part through here. You get 2 of these big rolls. So you did get 2. So she's opening it up. You can see these are small. They're not like regular garbage bags. These are specifically made for this cat thing. So now you've got to find the edges here. All right, let's do the one like you were doing it.
Okay.
Okay,
but
so now...
the part where I'm confused is I think that this actually might be the outside because...
I don't think it makes a difference.
It does, because you have to fold it so that it's over the edge.
Just like that?
No.
Look at the cat. All right, did you figure it out?
Kind of, not really.
All right, you're doing a great job. All right, so she's smushing it in. I know. And so now this will just slide under there, apparently. Okay, what do you think? Oh, you got to get that through there. All right, I think that might work. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Hey, all right. She's almost got it done. So she's gonna slide that in there. Okay, we gotta show them where they gotta put this. So we gotta lift this up a little bit. You can just kind of grab it like this. Huh? Or hold it up like this for a second. All right, so anyway, here's the port where this goes. It's right there. You see that little X? Got it? All right, so I'm going to put this in. Let's see if they can see it. That's it. All right, so now we're in. Now we can set her down. Okay.
Move the cord.
Okay. All right, you got it? Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Wow, that was an ordeal. All right, now we got to put the stuff in. We have to cycle it once. All right. So she's pressing the power button. Oh, there we go. We're good.
But that doesn't make any sense.
Well,
it's plugged in just fine.
Well, you must have smushed it in better. You smushed it in better. That's all.
I didn't touch it.
Hey, look at me, smile. Check it out.
Scoot so I can do the...
All right, wait, we got to let it do its thing first.
I know, but I got to do the app.
So it rotates, right? Hey, it's rotating. It's a rotator.
Yes.
All right, check it out. Now, it's going to finish facing us, I think. Do you remember?
No.
All right. I think it's going to finish facing us. It's almost there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Scoot.
All right, what are you going to do now?
I got to...
It did that. Aha!
Okay.
We got to put the stuff in. All right, let's get the stuff. There it is. Clump and seal. Oh my gosh, you're strong, man. That thing was heavy for me. I couldn't even lift it. Oh, do you pour it out? You okay? All right, so she's pouring it in. How much do you put in? I don't even know.
That's the thing, is I really don't know.
Like, that seems like a lot. That's good. You kind of covered it all. What do you think? I think that's good. All right, now let's try it. Let's level that bad boy. Let's get the level going. Does your hair get in the way a lot of your videos? Because Jesus, it's in. All right, so it's leveling now. She pressed that level button, the red button, and it's kind of like shaking the stuff around inside there, getting it squared away. So we're just kind of waiting.
It's supposed to automatically level, but it did not automatically level.
Oh, well, maybe it'll do it now. See how it's moving? Look. That's good. Ah, look, level. All right, Wi-Fi. It's good. That means that we're good. Because I think it's got two things, level and not level. I think that's it. All right, bam, we're in. We're in like Flynn. Spinning around. Check it out. Bam, done. Nope, not yet.
Because it's not new. You're probably in the way of the router, too.
Me? What, do I gotta get out of the way of the router?
Yeah.
How about now?
No, that doesn't help.
I'm out of the way of the router. I think it's fine.
My face is burning.
We got to get the cat in there.
She won't go in there with you. There.
Kitty, do you have to poop yet? Get the poop in here. You're going to have to get a video of her in it because I won't be able to be here when that happens. And that's it, man. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on cat litter. Peace out. Apparently, we put too much cat poop litter stuff in there. So now we're emptying it with a measuring cup. Doing a great job.
Fuck.
You okay?
Grab me the vacuum.
Is it getting all over you?
Please get me the vacuum.
Anyway, we put a little bit too much cat litter in there, and so we've got to scoop a bunch out. And then I think we're going to be ready to go.